Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do a little bit of everything from beauty, fashion, lifestyle, accessories, home decor, everything in between. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, live streams, sneak peek videos, and giveaways, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget, we do have 2 active giveaways on our channel right now. We have the Jeffree Star Valentine Mystery Box giveaway, as well as the Hank and Henry Mystery Box giveaway. They're both going to be linked down below in the description box, so check them out if you have not already. But as you can see from the title, today we have our February 2020 Splendies. For those of you that do not know, this is a panty subscription, and they're always the cutest panties and very comfortable. So this is $14.99 a month. You get 3 pairs of panties every month, and what I love is you have the option to choose all regular panties, all thongs, or you can get a mix. Now, ever since I had my son, I'm a regular panty girl. Thongs are long gone. So I get the regular panty subscription. And they do offer sizes extra small up to, I believe, like a 4X. So pretty much got you covered on sizes. And you guys, again, when I tell you that these are super cute, super comfy, I mean, they really are some of the most comfortable and pretty, sometimes a little risque and sexy. So it's always just a nice, fresh way to spice up and refresh your panty drawer every month. So let's get in here and see what we got for February 2020. Now, I will tell you, I'll put a link down below if you would like to check out Splendies. Usually there is a promo code for 50% off your first month, so you can get your first month for only $7.50. So if there is a promo code down or floating around, it'll be down with the link in the description. So check it out. I highly recommend this. I think the quality of these panties is always amazing. Like I said, they're always super comfortable and always adorable, sexy, and ooh la la. So let's get in here. Let's see what we got. Now, we actually got last month in January some cute little like Valentine panties, and I think it's just because of when it ships. So let's see. It always comes wrapped up in this cute tissue paper with the Splendies logo. And typically most of the panties all have a $12 value, so you're getting $36 worth of panties. All right, I'm already seeing really pretty colors. So let's, okay, all right, I'm excited. I'm gonna say that one's last. All right, so the first pair we got, these are adorable. These are from Wilshire, Montana, and they are $12. These are just like super cute, fun. Oh, caught on another tag. Super cute, fun, like everyday type of panties. The polka dots. They do have the like, well, you can't really see it here, but you can see when you turn in, there's like a super comfy stretchy band. These are like so soft. Oh my gosh. Like just adorable. And there's just like the regular back. So panty, not set, it's not a set. Panties, first set of panties, check. The second pair, yeah, these are adorable. Now these are Splendies brand, also valued at $12. And these are, oh my gosh. Okay, so these are super adorable. They have the cute little bow with the lace and the lace around the legs. Again, your girl doesn't do thongs, so. But you guys, are you ready to see the back of these? The back of these panties, this is what I was talking about, where they get a little like, a little sexy. Look at the back. Isn't that adorable? But like, ooh la la. Ooh. So, and I love this color. These are so beautiful. Now this last pair. Yes, oh yes. Yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. All right, so this is a Splendies brand, and they are $12, and they are St. Patrick's Day themed panties. Oh my goodness, so cute. The back is the same. And again, these are just like so soft. You guys, like, I'm telling you, this is some of the most comfortable, just wonderful panties ever sent to your door. All right, so we have this, again, super cute St. Patrick's Day set. We have this super, super pretty little extra in the back. Beautiful. I love the color. This pair right here. And then this pair, again, the first pair that I think is super cute. Just a basic everyday panty, but again, it is just cute and comfy, and or I can already tell it's going to be comfy. I mean, they're just like amazing. So that's the Splendies set that I got for February 2020. I will definitely make sure I'm wearing these on St. Patrick's Day so I don't get pinched. If you get this, let me know. Do you get like the mix? Do you get all thongs? Do you get just regular panties? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. Like I said, I will put that link down below, and like I said, usually there is a promo code available to get your first month for 50% off. So I will make sure that is down in the description if there is one currently active. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.